Hey, welcome to this video. It's a quick picking video and I will pick this Burg Wächter padlock for you. It's a Burg Wächter Profi padlock. It's model 116. The width is 40 millimeters, made in Germany. And that's how the key looks like. Some ups and downs. I show you that the lock works. Closed again. Look at the keyway. Position 1 of the key pins is it's a nice spool. Hope you can see that. The camera will focus. Yeah, now I think you see it. Very nice spool here. But there are more spools as driver pins. Alright, so I apply tensioning like that. It fits good in the keyway and I can apply good tension here. Take a sparrows hook, that one. And I'm searching for a false set. Just zoom in a little bit more. Okay. So, searching for a false set. It's not that difficult. Just stick the pick in and move it up and down, and I think it was pin 5 that was the gatekeeper, and now we are at a false set. Check for the first spool. Pin 1 is set already. It's pin 2. Gives me a counter rotation. I hope I got it, but lost my false set. Got it back. Pin 2 is set now. How about pin 3? Not ready yet, I think. Or oh, maybe I got it. It was pin 3. Check for my false set. The rear. I hope that I didn't overset it. Oh, alright, false set is back. Check who wants to be picked next. We're at position 4 now. Okay, maybe I got it, I'm not sure. Position 3. Hopefully got it. Position 4 again. Come on. Position 2. Full set again. Looks like an infinite game. Okay, here we are. It's open. Alright, so fun pick as I said. Burg Wächter padlock, model 116, picked open. Thank you very much for watching. Have fun picking. Bye bye.